Today we will show you how to clear your history memory. Okay, in Google, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to your Google and go here. This is 3 points and click and go to history. Okay, like this. Or you can just click to Control and H with your keyboard. Okay, so now here you have all this. Okay, just now we need to clear all this. Just go to here to delete browsing data. Okay guys, just click with the left like this, and all you want the last hour or the last 15 minute or the last 24 hour, or you can all time. This is all time. Okay, just now click here and delete data like this, and now finally you don't have anything. Like Control H, like this, you don't have any history. Did you see? We don't have anything here. Finally now we can have anything here. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.